Hey everyone, my name is Brian. I run DIY Outdoor Life, a channel on YouTube. We try to make content to get people outdoors more and keep them outdoors for longer. And I have been a friend of BougeRV for a long time. It provides a one-stop shop for me to get what I need, but it also provides a real simple place to recommend for people to source their solar and outdoor gear. So for Lucia and I and our dog Ripple, spending time outdoors is essential. We've been fortunate enough to travel across the US from east to west several times. We've gone up and down the coast multiple times. We've been able to do some international travel. And for us, this is not a vacation. We've found that it is an essential human experience to just spend some time in some natural, beautiful places. So that's what we want to offer people with the channel, both encouragement and some lessons to learn from our mistakes, because we know it ends up with a lot of gear. You need power solutions and refrigerators. You do end up acquiring a lot of tools. But for us, the base of all of this has been tiny campers. So I feature my teardrop a lot on the channel, and most of what you see has been decked out with BougeRV products. So I have the 9BB glass monocrystalline solar panel on the roof. I use their tilt rack system to be able to point and square the solar panel up to the sun. The connections, the BougeRV MC4 kit and tool allowed me to run the wire down. BougeRV sells batteries and charge controllers, inline fuses, everything to make it really simple for a beginner to set up their camper for off-grid solar. Now, no one likes just blatant commercials coming from content creators. I purchased most of this gear before I had a YouTube channel, at least before it was successful. I purchased most of these products because of the intersection of where the quality met the price point. So it's genuine testimonials. This is the BougeRV 23-quart refrigerator. I've had this and used this for over 3 years. It just sips power. It's definitely one of the more popular items on the channel, and it's running like the day I bought it. So when I started working on this new off-road square drop, one of the first places I went was to the BougeRV website to start to deck this out. This is their compact CIGS, the SIGS panel, super thin, couldn't be any easier to install. It lasts a real long time. It has great shade and heat tolerance. They're selling really good products, and their price point is always very, very competitive. So it's really nice to have a one-stop shop where you can go to get all of your high-quality solar wire, fuses, charge controllers, and things like that. So as my whole setup expands, I'm now building a barn out in the woods to house the campers and to be able to work on things. Of course, now I'm looking at the new bifacial solar panels to go on the barn. I'm going to be using the BougeRV MPPT as well as their inverter, the pure sine wave inverter, so I can run lights and power tools out here in the woods when I'm working on my campers and my outdoor setup. So, like I said earlier, I know there's enough paid advertisement out there. This is a genuine testimonial from the DIY Outdoor Life channel about the quality and beginner-friendly setups that BougeRV offers. If you are just getting into this or you've purchased BougeRV products in the past, they are definitely a bang for the buck and an easy product to recommend. So I hope you guys will check out the channel, DIY Outdoor Life, and thank you, BougeRV. Keep up the good work.